Hello, everyone. I hope you are having a really very good day. And this is Aman from Team Vertocity. So we are here to discuss about how to create an account on Discord and how to use the Discord in the most efficient way while following up with the Vertocity, right? So let's get back to our laptop and monitor screens. Let's search for Discord and you'll find a link to the website, right? So you'll have two options over there. One would be to download for Windows, and the second would be to open Discord in your browser, right? You can choose to go with the either ways. Both of them are same, but if you choose to go with the application, it would be much more easier. So I have the application downloaded and installed already on my laptop, and this is the interface that it looks like. So we'll start with creating the account on Discord, right? So let's go on to register. It will ask for your email. Enter your email over here. Your username, it could be anything. Let's suppose I put it up as Verto, admin. Password could be anything that you want to have it. Let's have it as you select your birth over here. I'll choose any random birth date that I want to go with. And then I will continue. So as you can see, it would ask for some permissions. And once it's sorted out, let's go with the application again. You'll have to go through the verification process, get done with it soon, and verify. As you can see, my account is created, right? And this is the interface that you would be getting for this. Now, to verify your account, all you need to do is go through your mail. Now, if you'll see over here, it's mentioned over here, please check your email and follow the instructions to verify your account, right? So let's open up our Discord. Let's open up our Gmail. Um, and I'll simply open up the account that I'm having. Let's go with, and I will find over here the Discord email that I got. So all you have to do is just click on verify email, right? And after verifying your email,